Hello guys, I'm KH and I'm here today to learn C# programming language together, so I'm not wasting time. Let's go. What is C#? It is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft that runs on the .NET framework. C# has roots from the C family, and the language is close to other popular languages like C++ and Java. The first version was released in year 2002. The latest version, C#10, was released in November 2021. C# is used for mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, web services, websites, games, VR, database applications, and much more. Why use C#? It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It has a huge community support. C# is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. As C# is close to C, C++, and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C# or vice versa. Get started. This tutorial will teach you the basics of C#. It is not necessary to have any prior programming experience, but having knowledge of the algorithm will help you.